Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your wallpaper on the iPhone 12. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. To start, open up the Settings app. In Settings, scroll down and open Wallpaper. Tap Choose a new wallpaper. Here you can choose from dynamic, still and live wallpapers provided by Apple. Live wallpapers play an animation when you hold down on the lock screen. You can of course use any of your own photos as a wallpaper, and you can use downloaded images by saving them to your camera roll first. Select any image you want and then tap Set. If it's one of your photos, you can move and scale the image to your liking and then tap Set again once done. Now you can choose whether to set it as the wallpaper on your lock screen or home screen, or both. Your wallpaper has been updated. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone 12 tips and tricks.